This tutorial is on Pixlr. Now they've made some changes, so I'm not sure how it's going to work on Chromebook. So I'll do a quick open and show you how to use it, and we'll cross our fingers to see if it works. So first of all, we're going to open the photo, tap on open photo, and I'm just going to grab any photo here. This one, if you'll see, it's about 1.1 megabytes, so that's a decent size. It's not too huge. And here we go. Now, Pixlr has changed things from last year when I worked with it. So this is sort of one version. And you can see that the menu is here on the right-hand side. So I'm going to go to crop right away. So if you tap on crop, you can adjust using these lines here. You can adjust to see the size of your picture, and then simply hit enter when you're done. I'll tap on it again, so you can flip it, you can rotate it, you can do all kinds of things with it here. If it's tipped, then you can rotate it and make sure and do a kind of more fun things with it. So that's that one, and enter to make it work. We can also adjust things, so we can do an auto color adjust, which makes a slight adjustment. You can adjust the vibrance of the color. You can see it getting deeper, the saturation, or you can turn it more into black and white. You can make it warmer by moving up the temperature, or you can make it cooler by moving down the temperature. You can adjust the brightness, exposure, all kinds of stuff. So just play with some of these options here to see what you like and don't like. Down here you can, on the what looks like a magic wand kind of idea, you can adjust some effects. So if you like the retro look, if you want to go with that for your book, you can tap on that, and then you can just sort of scroll through to see the ones that you like for your book. Okay, and we'll go back, and don't worry about these two. If you don't like what you've done, you can always reset down here in the lower left hand corner to continue. If you have made your image bigger and bigger, then you can always go down here to fill or fit or make it really close up. So these are the choices here. Here's your undo. If you hold compare, you can see what it looked like initially, and then when you let go, it gives you the image with the changes. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and save that. You can save it as a JPEG and as a high quality or a medium quality. For your book, it doesn't matter that much, and then go ahead and hit save. That will bring up your dialog box, and you'll save it into your Google Drive.